Ever wondered how that delicious sandwich you just ate becomes the energy that powers your every move, thought, and even your heartbeat? It's a fascinating journey, and today we're going to follow a single bite of food as it transforms into the very essence of life. Let's dive in. It all starts in your mouth. The moment you take a bite, your teeth get to work, grinding the food into smaller, manageable pieces. But that's not all. Your saliva, packed with enzymes like amylase, immediately begins breaking down carbohydrates. Think of it as the first stop on a complex assembly line, where the raw materials are prepped for processing. Next, you swallow, and the food travels down the esophagus into your stomach. Welcome to the acid bath. Your stomach is a muscular bag filled with powerful gastric acid. This acid not only helps to kill off any unwanted bacteria, but also starts breaking down proteins. The stomach churns and mixes everything into a semi-liquid substance called chyme, getting it ready for the main event in the small intestine. Now, the chyme enters the small intestine, the true powerhouse of digestion. This is where the magic really happens. Your pancreas and liver send in reinforcements. The pancreas releases a cocktail of enzymes that tackle carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, breaking them down into their simplest forms: glucose, fatty acids, and amino acids. Meanwhile, the liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder and released to help emulsify fats, making them easier to digest. As these nutrients are broken down, they are absorbed through the walls of the small intestine and into your bloodstream. Imagine millions of tiny gates opening up to let the good stuff through. The bloodstream then acts like a superhighway, delivering these essential molecules to every single cell in your body, from your brain cells that are helping you understand this video to your muscle cells that allow you to blink. So the nutrients have arrived at their destination, your cells, but how do they become energy? This is where the mitochondria, the tiny power plants within our cells, take over through a process called cellular respiration. Mitochondria use glucose and oxygen from the air we breathe to create ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. ATP is the universal energy currency of the body. Every time you move, think, or your heart beats, you're spending ATP. From a simple bite to the complex chemical reactions creating ATP, the transformation of food into energy is an incredible non-stop process that keeps you alive and thriving. It's a beautiful reminder of how interconnected our body's systems are, working in perfect harmony. So next time you enjoy a meal, take a moment to appreciate the amazing journey it's about to embark on inside you. Thank you so much for joining me on this digestive adventure. If you found this fascinating, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next exploration into the wonders of the human body. See you in the next video. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how that delicious sandwich you just ate actually fuels your body for the rest of the day? It's not magic, it's an incredible biological process. Today, we're going on a fantastic voyage through our own bodies to discover how food becomes the energy that powers our very lives. So, grab a healthy snack and let's get started. Our journey begins the moment you take a bite. This is the starting line, your mouth. Chewing or mastication isn't just about making food small enough to swallow. As you chew, your salivary glands release enzymes like amylase, which immediately start breaking down carbohydrates. Think of it as the food's first pit stop, where it gets prepped for the main event. Next up, the food travels down the esophagus and lands in the stomach. This muscular organ is like a powerful mixer. It churns the food with strong gastric acids, which not only continue the breakdown but also get rid of any unwanted hitchhikers. Here, an enzyme called pepsin gets to work on proteins, starting to unravel them into smaller building blocks. After a few hours of this acidic spa treatment, our food is transformed into a thick, soupy liquid called chyme from the stomach. The chyme moves into the superstar of our digestive system, the small intestine. This is where the real magic happens. The small intestine is a bustling hub of activity, over 20 feet long. Here, the pancreas and liver send in their own special agents. The pancreas releases a cocktail of enzymes that tackle carbs, fats, and proteins all at once. Meanwhile, the liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder and helps to emulsify fats, making them easier for the enzymes to break down. As the chyme travels through the winding roads of the small intestine, the nutrients glucose from carbs, amino acids from proteins, and fatty acids from fats are absorbed through its walls and into the bloodstream. Imagine millions of tiny hands reaching out and grabbing all the good stuff. The bloodstream then acts like a super-efficient delivery service, whisking these nutrients away to every single cell in your body, from your brain to the tips of your toes. But what happens once these nutrients arrive at their destination, the cells? This is the final and most crucial step. Inside each cell are tiny power plants called mitochondria. They take the glucose delivered by your blood and, through a process called cellular respiration, convert it into a special energy molecule called ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. ATP is the universal energy currency of your body. It's what powers everything you do, every thought, every heartbeat, every step you take. It's the reason you can learn, laugh, and live. So, the next time you sit down for a meal, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey that food is about to embark on. From a simple bite to the complex cellular energy that keeps you going, your body is performing a constant, life-sustaining miracle. It's a beautiful reminder to fuel our bodies with good, wholesome food. Thank you so much for joining me on this digestive deep dive. If you found this interesting, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Stay curious and see you in the next video.